In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Asana. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily break your work down into smaller, more manageable pieces inside any Asana project you're working on. First, make sure you're logged into Asana and you have the project open where your main task already lives. Subtasks are always connected to an existing task, so you'll start by choosing the task you want to break down. Look at your task list and find the specific task that needs more detail. This might be something like plan marketing campaign, or prepare client presentation. Anything that actually has multiple smaller actions inside it. Once you've found that task, move your mouse over it and select it. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name in the list view. This highlights the task and tells Asana that this is the item you want to work with. Take a moment here to double check you've picked the correct task, because the subtask you're about to create will be nested under this one and organized there. With the task selected, the next move is to open the options menu using your right mouse button. Position your cursor over the task row and right-click. This will open a small context menu that gives you several different actions you can take on that task. If you're using a trackpad or a Mac, remember that right-click might mean a two-finger click, or holding down the Control key while you click. The key idea is that you're opening the contextual options for that specific task, not the whole project. Now, in the menu that appears, look for the option that says Add Subtask. The wording may be very similar, and it should be clearly labeled. Go ahead and click on Add Subtask. As soon as you do this, Asana will create a new subtask field attached directly to the task you selected. You'll see a place where you can type the name of your subtask. Enter a clear, action-oriented title, something that makes sense on its own, like draft outline, collect assets, or review and approve. After naming it, you can press enter to save it, and repeat the same action to add more subtasks if needed. That's all there is to it. By selecting your task, right-clicking, and choosing Add Subtask, you can quickly organize complex work into clear, trackable steps inside Asana.